Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to study the another chapter, that is principle of inheritance and variation. This is the fifth chapter in the second PU syllabus, which is important for the examination theory as well as CET and NEET purpose. In the theory, you will get one fixed question from this chapter, 5 marks. I will inform which is that. Now we will go with the example. Take it as the what? Elephant is the parent, whereas elephant give birth to the what? Baby elephant. This is the example for animal. Now we can take the another example, that is the mango seed. Mango seed will give rise to the what? New mango plant. So here see, this is the what? Parent, where this is the what? Offspring. Now these offsprings are similar to their parents, whether they are different, that is most important now here. So these are the parent ones. The animal will be the elephant, and whereas the mango will be the what? Example for plant. Now whatever these offsprings are there, these are similar to their parents? No, they are differ from their parents. Now let us study about the what? A concept is known as genetics. So here genetics is a what? A branch of science which deals with the what? This will deals with inheritance and variation of a character transfer from parents to offspring. Parents to the what? Offspring. So this will define the what? A definition of genetics. Now in the genetics only we will learn about the what? Inheritance and variation. Now what is the definition of a inheritance means? So inheritance is a process in which characters are passed from parents to offspring. Parents to the offspring. So this is the what? A definition of inheritance, important. Along with that, for CET NEET they will ask the 1 marks question, that is the CET NEET question. What is the basic unit of heredity means? That is the inheritance. So basic unit of heredity will be the what? Inheritance. So this is the very important term, remember, for the what? CET and NEET. Whereas the another term will be the what? Variation. Now what is the definition of variation means? So here degree by which characters are differ from their parents to progeny. Parents to the what? Progeny. A progeny, offspring or new individual, both are what? Are similar terms. Got it? Next, here the next concept will be the what? Here you take it as what? Humans. Humans, they have what? A knowledge regarding to the what? Inheritance, that is about 8,000 to the what? 1,000 billion crest, whereas they have the knowledge about the what? Variation. Variation is nothing but what? A degree by which character differ from their parents to the what? Offspring. So what type of knowledge they are having means about the variation means nothing but changes from the what? Parents to the what? Offspring. So here example, what type of variation they have seen means they have seen the variation in the what? A wild type of what? wild type of plant and animal. Plant and animals. So take it as the another example will be the what? Artificial hybridization. Got it? Artificial selection or artificial what? Hybridization. So here artificial is nothing but it is a what? A technique through which they are undergoing the what? Hybridization experiment is nothing but crossing. So here one of the example for artificial hybridization will be the what? A wild cow. Got it? So the wild cow is used for the what? Artificial hybridization experiment. So here what is the name of that wild cow is used for the artificial hybridization means the name of the cow will be the Sahiwal. Sahiwal is the what? Artificial cow which is found in the what? Punjab. So what is the use of this new cow, that is the what? Sahiwal means it will produce the what? A highly rich protein content milk will be produced from this Sahiwal. So similarly there are other selective. The next concept will be the what? Mendelian law of inheritance. Mendelian law of inheritance. So the Mendelian is the what? A name of a scientist. The scientist has coined the term what? Inheritance. So here what is the name of, in the 19th century, you see here the 19th century there is a midway has been started regarding the what? Genetics, that is the what? Inheritance term. So in the 19th century they have started the concept regarding the what? Inheritance. So inheritance term was be coined by the scientist Gregor John Mendel. He was born in the year 1822 and the death occurred in the 1884. Now here Gregor John Mendel has conducted the what? Hybridization experiment. Conducted hybridization experiment. So here hybridization experiment on what type of organism means the organism he has selected will be the what? Plant. So what type of plant he has selected for his hybridization experiment means that is the garden pea plant. So here another important question will be the what? What is the scientific name of a garden pea plant means that is the Pisum sativum. So here this is the scientific name of a what? Garden pea plant. So here he has to complete the hybridization experiment for 7 years. How many years he has taken means 7 years to complete his experiment, that is from 1856 to 1863. So here this is the what? Experiment taken about duration up to 7 years. So this is the year counted 56 to 63 means total he has taken the what? 7 years to complete the what? Hybridization experiment. So here this garden pea plant, why only he has selected garden pea plant for his experiment means this can be grown easily in the garden. Along with that the garden pea plant is a what? Undergoing self pollination. Along with the it is a bisexual flower. Pisum sativum. What is the reason behind that? Gregor John Mendel only selected the what? Pisum sativum for his experiment. The reason will be the what? It can be easily grown throughout the year. Along with that The Pisum sativum, it has a what? A bisexual flower. Bisexual flower. Along with that, it undergo self pollination. So the Pisum sativum is a what? A true breeding plant. True breeding plant. Along with that, the Pisum sativum will exhibit a what? A contrasting character. Exhibit a what? Contrasting character. So what type of character has been selected from this plant means, so the Pisum sativa will exhibit the what? A 7 character. So pea plant shows the what? A 7 contrasting character. So which are the characters selected by the Mendel means, so in the one column we will make characters, and in the another column we can make the what? A dominant trait, whereas another one will be the recessive trait. So here the first character will go with the what? A trick. Got it? That is the flower color is the one character of a pea plant, whereas another one is flower position, whereas another one will be the pod shape and pod color. Next, the fifth one is seed shape. Sixth one is seed shape. Here is the seed color. The sixth one will be the what? Seed color, whereas seventh one is the what? Height of the plant. So these are the what? Characters of a what? A pea plant. Now which are the dominant character or dominant trait means, the flower color dominant will be, that is the violet. If a violet is dominant, whereas the recessive will be showing the what? White color flower, the recessive. What is the meaning of dominant means? Dominant is a what? A character which expressed in the what? Generation. Recessive traits are suppressed by the what? Dominant trait. So here always dominant is written in a what? Capital letters. Dominant traits are denoted by the what? Capital letter, whereas the recessive trait are denoted by the what? Small letters. We will learn in the next concept how they are using. Now you see here, the next character will be the flower position. What is the dominant trait of a flower position means? Axial. Whereas here is terminal is the what? Recessive trait. Next, pod shape. What is the shape of pod in the dominant means? Inflated. Whereas recessive is constricted. Next, what is the pod color in the dominant trait means? You see here, the pod color will be the what? Green here. The pod color, the dominant trait is green. If it is green means the recessive will be the what? Yellow colored pod color. Got it? Now seed shape. Seed shape here in the dominant will be the what? Seed is dominant is exhibiting the what? Round shaped seed shape, whereas here is wrinkled. Now seed color. What is the dominant trait of a seed color in the pea plant means? Yellow. Whereas here the recessive one will be the what? Green color seed. Next, height of the plant. What is the dominant trait of a height means that is the tall, whereas here is the what? A dwarf. So here this table is very important for the what? CET as well as NEET questions. Got it? They will ask either recessive trait or dominant trait of a what? A 7 contrasting of a P plan, which are very important. You should be thorough with the what? The 7 character which are the dominant and which are the recessive trait. Next we will go with the what? That is the what? A monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross is also known as one gene hypothesis. One gene hypothesis, remember, which is very important for theory as well as CET NEET question, either 3 marks or 5 marks. Even though it can be asked for 1 marks and 2 marks based upon the word genotypic and phenotypic ratio. So this is very important. Monohybrid cross is also known as one gene hypothesis. So see here the term monohybrid. Mono means what? Single. Hybrid means crossing. See here I have said Pisum sativum is a what? Plant used by the Mendel. So here the plant will exhibit what type of pollination? Self-pollination. But Mendel, what he has done means he has done the what? Crossing the what? A character. So that's why we call it as it is a hybridization experiment. So here crossing between the what? Male and female flower of a what? Pisum sativum. So while crossing, how many character he has selected means only single character. Hybridization is nothing but a artificial method which has carried out by the hybriders. So here what is the definition of monohybrid cross? 1 marks question. Got it? Definition: the cross between two parents difference in a pair of character. A cross between two parents differ in a pair of character is known as what? Monohybrid cross. So what type of character has been selected by the Mendel means that is the height of a plant he has took. What he has took? Has selected the character will be the what? Height of a plant. Now what type of parent he has collected means the parents are the what? Tall. One parent